So another utility in find and replace text, okay, in word processing. All right. So here we will learn how to find a particular text from a particular word from a portion of text and how to replace it. Very easy utility. You can follow the steps. Once you follow the steps, you will be able to do that utility properly. All right. Okay. Let us see. Now students, I am explaining you how to do the find and replace in MS Word. So I have already opened a document where some predefined texts are already there. Okay, so first of all, let us see how to do this. So to find a word, what you have to do is you have to go to the editing group in the home tab. So where is the editing group? In the home tab, here it is there, and you can see here the find and replace, two things are there. So come over here and you can go for find. You know the keyboard shortcut, it is displaying out here as alongside it is showing control and F for the find. All right, so I'm going for the find. Okay, so the thing is that what I want to find, say I want to find fox. Okay, so it is showing, so if you can see all the fox has been highlighted. Have you seen it? So this is the way to find out the this thing, what you call a particular word from this one. So what you have to do, you have to first of all you type a document and search for a particular word. Where you have to go, you have to go to the home tab, editing group, then you have to select the find option from here, and the keyboard shortcut for find is control F. Okay, so you can do the advanced find also, and we can do the go to also. Go to, the keyboard shortcut is control G. Okay, if you are going clicking on go to, then what will happen? Let me close out here once again. Okay, I'm closing this one, so I'm going to do these things once again. So find, and I'm going to go to. Go to means if you want to go to the page section anywhere, you can go in the line and all. Suppose if I'm giving line out here, I'm going to line number 3. All right, then what will happen? You see out here, go to. So I have come down to the line number 3. All right, see my cursor is over here, that is which is the line number 3, 1, 2 and 3 as well. Okay, that is the way. Actually that's very easy, and control G is the shortcut. Now I am coming to the replace out here once. See the keyboard shortcut, note down the keyboard shortcut, that is control H. So we have learned here 3 keyboard shortcuts. For find it is control F. Okay, for replace it is control H, and for go to it is for go to, where it was, it is here actually. Go to, this go to is actually for control G. Now let us see that how the replacement will take place. So I'm clicking on replace out here. So I'm typing out here one word, say quick. Quick, I will do it with faster. Okay, I will fast. Okay, a quick will be replaced with fast. Then if I am clicking on this way, say clicking on replace. Okay, replace like this, it will keep on replacing. Do you follow? Keep on replacing. All right. Now the thing is that all the replacements that take place, and here also one is there. So it is showing us when the searching is completed, it will show you we are finished the searching the document. So that is the thing. So in this way, one by one, you will be able to replace. All right, that is the thing. So again, we are doing from first to quick. All right, we're writing out here in the find word box first, and in the replace with box, we are writing quick. All right. So let's see quick. All right, so now at a time, if we want to do everything, so then in that case we have to click on replace all. Okay, so one by one, when you are doing that time, you do replace, and then another time, if you want to do all at a time, then you have to do the replace all button. Okay, so all the, we made 8 replacements out here. So you see everywhere the fast has disappeared and quick has appeared. All right, that is the thing. So in this way, so there are some options are also available, match cases and all. So by default it is the match cases and match whole word only, match prefix, suffix, all these things are there. Okay, so that is the thing. So in this way you will be able to do the find and replace. Okay, suppose I am writing a quick spelling out here. Just a minute. One demo I'm showing you. Quick I am making out here. UI should to quick, and here one quick I have made out here in caps. Okay, quick. Sorry, just a minute. Quick. All right. Now I'm doing what? By using the keyboard shortcut, I'm doing the find and replace out here. Now see, I am finding out quick out here. Okay, the word QUI. Sorry, QUICK, and I'm doing out here with fast. Okay, first now let us see. I'm doing with more, and I'm going with here actually with match case and doing replace all. Okay, then you see then you see what is happening. The caps one has not been changed, but other one has changed into first. All right, so that means that when the matching case, only the particular case will be replaced, other things will not be replaced. So this is what the find and replace. All right, students, after the find and replace, we will have another utility that is called bullets and numbering. How to highlight the important part of a text by using the symbols as well as the numbering. Okay, so any pattern you can choose in order to make it as bullets. Okay, that's why it's named as bullets and numbering. Fine. Well, students, now we are starting bullets and numbering. Okay, that is the thing. So how it is to be done. This utility is actually been used to highlight a particular important particular set of text in your text document. So let us see how it is to be done. Okay, so opening a document. So I'm just removing this out here. Okay, all right, now you see that what you have to do is, for this the steps will be bullets and numbering drop down button on the home tab in the paragraph group. So it is not showing, so if I click over here, it will just do the auto hide. All right, all right, the thing is that now this one will come down now. Yes, this is auto hide portion, that is the thing. So home paragraph and the bullets and numbering are here. Now you see, if you want the structures, bullets and all, you click over here, so automatically it will appear. Say I'm writing the favorite fruit, say mango. Okay, mango, then watermelon. Okay, watermelon, then say apple, then say orange. So the automatically the bullets are appearing. Fine. So when you will finish, just press enter, the extra bullet will come, and then you can press enter to cancel it. Now again, so one more type of bullets I will do. Just that is the thing. The tabs to be shown out here right now. Okay, now the thing is that the same thing, bullets are different type of bullets are available. You see out here. Now this is the numbered bullet. That is very important. Okay, so you can check anything out here, so it will come out here. So in this way you can enter over here. Okay, so the steps you have to follow, that is very easy. Home tab, paragraph group, bullets and numbering. All right, then you can just select the type of bullets, and you that bullets will come onto your pages. Say here I'm writing again mango, then watermelon. Okay, watermelon, and then apple. Okay, apple, orange, and all. So the bullets are appearing. Same procedure. When you will finish the bullets, then what will happen? You have to press enter. All right, so that is the thing you have to that is the thing you have to do in order to enter the bullets and all. Now if you want the symbol bullets and all, then what you have to do? Okay, you have to go to the bullets and click the drop down arrow next to the bullets button on the home tab. Okay, so that is the thing. So over here, okay, then define new number format is appearing, and here you can see out here define new bullet. Okay, if you want to enter a new sort of bullets, fine, click on define new bullets. Okay, so it will come over here. Then you have to go to where? You have to go to the symbol, click on symbol. Okay, symbol, anything. Suppose I want to make this one as bullet, so click over here and clicking over here, and then click on OK. Fine, so that is appearing as the thing. So mango, okay, watermelon, say apple, and what you have, say another fruit, orange. Okay, so it is arranged through the bullet. Same thing, same way you can cancel also the bullets. Fine, so that is the way to enter the bullets and all right, so you see out here. Now another set of bullets, how to do these things. Another set of bullets, like let's again, we are coming to the home tab and this group and all. So these bullets and all, you can see out here, this is the numbering bullet and this is the structured bullets. Okay, so if you want to create a new bullet tab, then you have to go to the define new bullet option. So however, you can you can change its position, you can by using the things and all. Suppose if you think that you can use the indentation button over here in order to place the bullets in the convenient way. This is the first line indent, and this is the this thing, and in this way you can set the indent out here. So the thing is that same thing, similar thing can happen out here. So you can put it out here, so it will be like this. So the thing bullets will come in this way. So you can rearrange the bullet by indexing also in this way. Fine, so that is the thing. So this is all about the bullets. So nothing much is there in this case. So only you have to remember that you have to go to the home tab, paragraph group, bullets and numbering drop down list. You have to choose, and then you can choose the formats of your bullets. Okay, So if it is a symbol bullets, you can take it, and if it's a numbering bullets, A B C D 1 2 3 4, whatever you want, you can select. Fine. That is the thing. That is the all about the bullets and numbering options. So children, you should practice it properly. And both the utilities as I have shown you, find and replace along with the bullets and numbering to be done in a proper manner. Understood? So that is the thing. So you can try it out. Okay. So that's the thing. For home tabs, so no shortcuts are available. So these things you can go straight away, this thing you can go straight away. Okay, numbering and as well as the symbol bullets. All right, then thank you. Okay, do the practicals properly.